welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I did this makeup look. And if you're interested how I did this look, just keep on watching. For moisturizer, I am using the Eye White Korea Aqua Moisturizer Glow. Also moisturizing my lips by using Oregano Lip Balm. For face primer, I'm just using the No Shine Mattifier from Quick Effects. And I'm just like putting it all over my face. Priming my eyes using the Maybelline concealer. And just a little bit of powder from Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And for transition shade, I'm just using the Evie Chocolate Palette for my eyelids. And just a little bit of concealer just to make the colors pop in my eyes. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm using the color board from Beauty Glaze. Unfortunately, I don't know what color it is, but it is the shade of orange for the inner corners of my eye and a darker shade of like a purplish red for the outer corner of my eyes. And I put a little bit of concealer at the center of my eye to make the shimmer pop, and grab that same darker shade of purplish red for the outer corner of my eye just to blend. For my lower lash line, I'm just using the same shade of eyeshadow, and I'm just putting wing liner. For my waterline, I am using an eye pencil from Nichido in the shade of Pink Diamond, and a black eyeliner from Maybelline for my upper lash line. I love to clean up the excess eyeshadow and eyeliner by using Q-tips with micellar water. I love this trick because it just cleans and defines your eye makeup look. I'm not a fan of foundation, but for the sake of this look, I am using a foundation from Maybelline in the shade of Warm Nude 128 and blending it using a beauty blender. Okay, Queen Bee, so here's the trick that I wanted to share with you. I am using Evie Advanced Perfect Eye Concealer as my lipstick base. For the making part, I am using Nichido Final Powder in the shade of Creamy Glow. Curling my lashes, putting on my falsies, time to brush off the powder. Now the fun part, contouring the face. I am using the Contour / Highlighter palette from Face Lady. And for the blush, I am using the same brand from Face Lady, their blush and highlighter. And I love to contour my nose using my pinkies. To soften the look, I'm just using my brush to blend. Highlighting my nose. Highlighter in the cheekbones, your temples, and your nose, and your cupid's bow, under your brow bone, and time for lipstick. I use the matte lipstick from Maybelline in the shade of Clay Blush. guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you to my next video. Bye!